You probably know how helpful keyboard shortcuts can be. They speed up navigation, save clicks, and make you feel like a pro, but sometimes they can do more harm than good. Accidentally hitting the wrong key can trigger actions you didn't mean to take. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable Jira keyboard shortcuts in step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Jira account. Once you're in, head over to the Your Work section. This is your main dashboard and the hub for all your projects, issues, and recent activity. Make sure you're on this screen before moving to the next step. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll find the help icon, usually represented by a small question mark. Click on it. This opens Jira's help and support menu where you can access tutorials, shortcuts, and assistance tools. From the drop-down, select Keyboard Shortcuts. A panel will pop up displaying all available shortcuts and their functions, everything from creating issues to navigating boards. This is where the magic happens. Inside that same window, you'll see a toggle switch that lets you enable or disable shortcuts. Simply flip that toggle off and you'll instantly disable all keyboard shortcuts in Jira. You'll notice a small visual confirmation showing that shortcuts are now turned off. And that's it. You're done. With shortcuts disabled, you'll no longer have to worry about accidentally triggering actions or jumping between screens. It's a cleaner, calmer experience, especially if you prefer mouse-based navigation. And that's how simple it is to disable keyboard shortcuts in Jira. If this guide helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Jira and productivity tips, and drop a comment below if you'd like to see a tutorial on how to customize shortcuts instead of disabling them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.